Hey friends, welcome to the Space and Science Explorer show. Today let's learn about meteorites and how to find your own meteorite. So it's going to be really exciting. So let's zoom in the topic. So a meteorite is nothing but an object that moves in space that is really small and moves in space continuously until it bombards with a planet or comes near a planet. Wow, look at that. That is called a meteor, actually. So first I told it was a meteoroid. Then, but when it comes as a shooting star near Earth, for example, if a meteoroid comes near Earth, then it will become like a fireball and come down very fast. So that is called meteor. That stage is called meteor stage, like a shooting star, and then falls on the ground. But they just get crushed in the atmosphere. They won't fall like an asteroid. They just get crushed in the atmosphere into little tiny rocks that you see in your backyard or something like that. So that much small they'll be at, at the time they reach the ground. Or sometimes they even fail to reach the ground. But sometimes they pass but come as really small rocks. So the third step is nothing but this. It's a meteorite. It's a meteorite, actually. So the first step was a meteorite, and now it's a meteorite. But they almost look like the same words. So in the ending of the first word, I told the first stage it is D. It ends with D. So, but this stage will end with TE. So it's doing a difference. So it's a meteorite. Look. Actually found this, and it's the first time I found a meteorite that is coming from space. It's a space rock. Look. So you can also find your own space rock actually. So as I told you, when it reaches down, it will be really small. Look how small it is. You saw an asteroid that killed the dinosaurs. It was this almost 10 kilometers big. But then it turned into little asteroid it will turn into, but somehow it managed to come into the atmosphere and kill the dinosaurs. So that's why the dinosaurs are died and got extinct. So this is called a meteorite. So how can you find your own meteorite now? So there are few ways to find your own meteorite in your backyard. One is it shouldn't look like other rocks. So this doesn't look like other rocks, which are this is black, but other rocks won't look black. See, here I have an example which looks more black. This one, because this is a meteorite. So this is a meteorite test. So the first one wins. So this is even more darker. The darkest one is actually called a meteorite. Next is how dense it is. Means it should be heavy and have an unusual shape. So this has an unusual shape as well. It's really small and having an unusual shape. So the next step is nothing but it should be really heavy. So if I take this rock and this rock, I find it that this is more heavier than this. All this bigger, this sounds more heavier somehow. And the last step to figure out it's a meteorite, I'm really excited for this part. It should be attracted by a magnet. So, if you don't know about magnets, watch my previous episode about magnets. So you can understand about it. So here we have a magnet. So here I have my stone, my meteorite. Let's test it once. Look friends, the meteorite is just attached to a magnet. Very cool, right? Look, it attached to the meteorite. the magnet, the meteorite had actually attached to the magnet. Isn't that great? And look at this stone that I got. Never sticks. See, so this little rock had passed the meteorite test. So it is a qualified meteorite. So, so it's so great to find the meteorite because it's coming from space. Isn't that great, friends? So, to find the meteorite, one. Let's get a summary now. So, one, it should be not looking like other rocks. Very unusual it should look. We have with an unusual shape. Two, it should be really heavy. Three, it should contain iron and nickel. Other rocks don't have iron and nickel actually. That's why. So, and the last step is it should get attracted by a magnet. So that's it for today's video, my friends. So don't forget subscribe, like, hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos. So actually you can also find the meteorite. Just understand how to do the test. Take out a few rocks from your backyard. You'll get a meteorite if you can find one. So that's it for today's video. So until next time, till my next video comes, goodbye.